Why do we snore while sleeping, and what causes this disruptive phenomenon? Snoring occurs when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. This obstruction can happen due to several factors, including the position of the body, nasal congestion, or the anatomy of the throat. Obstructive sleep apnea is a more serious condition, where snoring is accompanied by pauses in breathing, leading to disrupted sleep. Lifestyle choices such as smoking, alcohol consumption, and being overweight can also contribute to increased snoring. In some cases, snoring can also be a sign of underlying health issues that may require medical attention.